Hello friends, welcome back to Tiny Toon Tale. Let's begin another heartwarming story. Before that, do not forget to subscribe so you can stay connected with us. It was a bright sunny morning in Greenleaf Forest. Sunny, the squirrel, woke up with a huge yawn. Today feels special. Rubbing her tiny paws, she peeked outside her treehouse window. The sun was shining, the flowers were blooming, and the birds were singing. I know what I'll do. I'll throw the biggest, happiest picnic for all my friends. She grabbed her little basket and skipped down the tree. First, she collected crunchy acorns. Then, she picked sweet red berries from the bush. She even found wild honey dripping from a log. This will be the yummiest picnic ever. On her way back, she met Benny the bunny. Good morning, Sunny. Why are you carrying so much food? I'm hosting a picnic. Will you come? Of course. I'll bring fresh carrots. Next, Sunny met Mila the mouse. Hi, Sunny. Where are you going? To set up a picnic. Want to join? Yes. I'll bring cheese cubes. Finally, Sunny saw Toby the turtle near the pond. Toby, we're having a picnic. Please come. Slow and steady, I'll be there. By the big oak tree, Sunny spread out a bright blanket. She placed the acorns, berries, and honey carefully. Benny brought carrots, Mila brought cheese, and Toby carried apples. The friends sat happily, ready to eat. But suddenly a strong wind blew through the forest. The picnic blanket lifted off the ground. Oh no! The food, the berries rolled down the hill. The honey jar wobbled dangerously. The blanket flew into the air like a kite. Benny hopped quickly after it. I'll catch it. Toby crawled slowly but used his shell to block the honey jar from falling. Got it safe! Mila dashed after the rolling berries. She stuffed them back into the basket. Phew, that was close! But the blanket kept flying higher. Sunny chased it, her tail bouncing. Wait! Come back! The blanket landed on a tree branch. How do we get it down? I can climb! She scurried up the tree quickly. Step by step, higher and higher she went. Finally, she reached the branch with a big tug grip. The blanket got free, and Sunny tossed it down. Hooray! Sunny climbed back down carefully. The friends spread the blanket again. They placed all the food back on top. Now, the picnic can really begin. Everyone clapped and cheered. Benny munched on carrots. Mila nibbled on cheese. Toby crunched on apples. Sunny dipped acorns in honey. Delicious! The friends laughed and shared stories. A butterfly fluttered past. Joining the fun, birds chirped a happy tune nearby. The meadow sparkled with sunshine. This is the best picnic ever, and the tastiest too. Teamwork saved the day. Sunny's cheeks turned rosy. I couldn't have done it without you all. After eating, they played games. They raced around the oak tree. They balanced apples on their heads. Who can squeak the loudest? Mila won, of course. As the sun lowered, the friends lay on the blanket. They watched fluffy white clouds drift by. That one looks like a carrot. That one looks like cheese. I see an apple. I see another squirrel. The friends rolled with laughter. When it was time to go home, they packed the leftovers. Thank you for coming to my picnic. Thank you for inviting us. Sunny skipped happily back to her treehouse. Her heart felt warm and full of joy. And from that day, the friends decided picnics should happen every week. Don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching.